the new electric orange, cloud blue, and Sunflower MagSafe silicone case for iPhone 12s. Today, we're trying it on with iPhone 12 Pro Max. Unboxing done right, with different angles, interfaces, and matching wallpapers. Plus first impressions. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Full reviews coming soon, once Apple gives us a break. Let's open them. First up is Electric Orange. All three cases today are $49 at Apple. It's predominantly orange with a splash of coral and a hint of cream. To put it simply, it's mainly a vibrant coral with a milky tint, which earns the title of Electric Orange, identical to the matching braided solo loop I unboxed last month, and which you see here. But because it's Apple's liquid silicone and not fabric, it gives off a more radiant color, which shows better on camera than the solo loop. A pleasant color to enjoy even from across the room. As usual, the edges of your iPhone's color, or stainless steel material, glimmers as it's revealed slightly on the side. A nice design touch on all of Apple's cases. I notice not too many third-party cases do this. The lip of the camera is raised just enough to protect it, as well as the lip for the screen. It's smooth, but at the same time has a moderate grip. Being mid-tone, you could feel dust, but are less likely to see it compared to light and dark colors. Easily wipes off anyway. Using dummy models, you can get an idea of how it can look with all the other iPhones. Here's some matching wallpapers. Let me know if you want any of the third-party ones in the comments below. My favorite color to pair it with is any kind of orange. Next we have Cloud Blue. I just have to let it out. Cloud Blue is just like how I remember Sky Blue from iPhone 10 days. Like it looks white from a distance, and the shyest blue close up. Like a color an air freshener would use. Like all silicone cases, it's a dust magnet. Buttons are slightly darker, like the other two. More obvious though in this color, but still subtle, making it look uniform with the silver iPhone. Because it seemed like such an unsure color, I didn't think I'd like it until I saw it with light interfaces and wallpapers. I do like how it looks so good without dark mode, with most web pages and apps being a light background, and blue skies being so common for wallpapers and such. So it all matches. This would make it a great daytime color. Last but not least, Sunflower. You could definitely get a balance of sun and earth in this slightly shaded yellow, with the smallest drop of red. This yellow isn't as vibrant as Canary Yellow from 2019, nor as dark as the leather California Poppy case. It's more of a glow than vibrance, which will make it more comfortable to most eyes. Still that familiar bright and happy yellow we know from actual sunflowers. Except this yellow keeps its glow in all lighting, never getting dull. Like all silicone cases, it's a moderate grip and easy to wipe off dust or wash off dirt. I expect it to be better with scratches compared to leather cases, but still not resistant to being chipped by rocks or other hard edges. All three of these have decent protection for most users. Safe for the active gym athlete, but not for the outdoor hiker. You'll see one of my favorites previously posted in my channel. Here are some matching wallpapers. Let me know if you want any of the third-party ones in the comments below. Which one did you like the most? If you already have any of these, add your thoughts in the comments. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Alright Apple, give us the amethyst watch band next and I'll be happy. Thanks for watching.